Yeah, he's here. He's as an Emeakayi John Paul, popularly known as Mmuo Fulanya. We arrested him in respect of breach of the Homeland Security laws. As you can see here, here is the river where he does his sacrifices. He brings young men and women to this place, bathing them in this river with the promise and the assumption or hope that when they bath here, they will make it in life. They will get quick rich and all these things. So, and telling them that there is this spirit, mermaid spirit that used to come out from here, that when he invoke it, it will come and answer them. So all those young ones will be here, and he will allegedly or supposedly invoke the crocodile. Is it crocodile? Abi?
Yes, sir.
So which is what we asked him not to demonstrate, and it couldn't happen. So here is the place, the river. The main place, it brings young men and women, both Yahoo boys and girls and all that. So bathing people in the river, and this river flows to the other end. Some other place, a public river. So bathing people in the river is on its own an offense against the Homeland Security law. It's pollution. And we have videos and the records where he stays in this river also, throwing all manner of things inside the river, all in the name of sacrifice and rituals. So these are the reasons, some of the reasons why we were arrested. Yes, ours is to carry out preliminary investigation as we are carrying out now. When we are done with the preliminary investigations and the prima facie case is established, as is presumed now to have been established, we'll hand him over to the police for further investigation and possible prosecution.